Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, this is Miss Bonnie Faye, this is Miss Cali Cat, and they are really out the window right now because there is squirrels out there, there's chipmunks out there, the birds are out there, everybody is loving, well, it was really bright and sunny, but it's kind of died down a little now, but yes, it's a little on the cool side. It's 59, but it's not bad, and oh my goodness, I love it when nature comes out to play. It's so wonderful. So today I got a couple boxes from BoxyCharms. I'm not sure if monthly box, I'm pretty sure I got add-ons from their drop sale or mega drop sale or whatever kind of sales they have that are amazing. You can get products for like 80% off. I love it. It is a great way to stock up on stuff. So I have been, I was trying to back off, y'all, but then I realized that my gift box, I have a whole little box that I keep all my gift stuff in, and you know, things for collabs, things like that, and it was getting kind of sparse, so I had to stock up. Really, I did. But we're gonna look in this and see what it is. Now, if you don't know what BoxyCharms is, it is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription. They send you 5 products for $25 with their base box. I'm sorry, it is $27.99 now for their base box. Full-size products, you can go up a step to their premium box and get 6 full-size products for $39.99. And they also have Boxy Luxe, which I love, and what it is 3 times a month they'll replace this box, and instead you get the Boxy Luxe. That is $59.99 4 times a year, so it's quarterly box, and you get 8 full-size products with that one, and it's always really good products. I've really been enjoying it. If you want to try BoxyCharms, I do have a link below. I appreciate it. If you use my link, it does help me out a little bit, and thank you so very much for that. Now we're just gonna look inside these boxes and see what's in here, because I don't remember if I've gotten my March box or not. Let's see if that's what this is. Maybe not. Okay. All right, so this is add-ons too. That's add-ons. Open this one and see if it's the same. That was because of a squirrel. Alright, y'all. Now fighting over the squirrel. Alright, so I went on the hunt for the few of the products that I knew I had, so I could show you the products I have and save the others for giveaways, because that's what they're for, is giveaways. As you can see, I got a couple of these Luxie packs, and these are the Luxie Floralist brush set. They are a $40 value. I actually paid $7, and you get the little zippy pouch. Oops, I didn't get them all out. And you get a little sponge, and then it comes with 4 brushes: eyeliner brush, a tapered blending brush, a eye shading brush, and a concealer brush. And of course that's a detail sponge. Let's see, eyeliner, eye shading. As you can see, I do use my brushes. Concealer, and tapered blending. Very cute little brushes, very nice. I need to clean them though. I'm gonna have to take a day and just clean all my brushes, because I'm supposed to be doing it once a week. I don't know that I have. I need to be better about that. All right, so that's 2 of the things I got. This is the Illuminati Cosmetics Illuminati X ISA Eyeshadow Palette. That's this one. I'm leaving it in the wrap, so it'll be good for a giveaway. But here is mine. Look at that. As you can see, I have dipped into some of these, the purples, especially. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Did I get it all out? Did I get any out? This is a duochrome, y'all. Look at that. Oh, it is so pretty. I love a duochrome. Blue and purple. It is lovely. Look at this. Look at that glitter. That's a real glitter right there. Oh my goodness. So good. Look at this blue. Look at this blue. Look at that. Okay. Yes. So that is my palette. What does it say? This is a $48 palette. I paid $5 for it. So yeah, yay for me. Oh, I got glitter all over me now. Collaborated with Isabel Bedoya for a ultra versatile palette, creating even glam look or perfect daytime look. Shade range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person, and that's really true. There's something in here for everything, for everybody. That's really great. I like it. I use it a lot. Well, I say a lot, but to me, if I have used it a couple, 3-4 times, that's a lot because I have so many to go through. My goodness, I've got glitter all over me. The next thing I have in here is Item Beauty. This is in my, this is in my element. I have on the day. I didn't realize it's different. Ooh, I mean, okay. Just a little bit of different shade range. Now I want to open it. Anyway, it's a $25 value. I paid $5 for it. I'm having that. Should I open it? Should I not open it? I really need to keep it for a giveaway, y'all. I will pop up a picture of what the palette on the inside looks like, but here is the actual box it's in. I'm gonna wait because I don't know what I need to do yet. I got some stuff happening going on, you know. Next, this one I do have. This one is the Item Beauty Come Through. It is the Quip Lip Oil. I use it a lot. Now, the one thing I will say about this is if you don't like that strong mango kind of taste, you may not like this because it does have that strong smell flavor to it, but I can't touch it to me right now because I have an issue going on that I don't need so badly. When you don't have lipstick on, it gives you a nice color to your lips. It just kind of brings out that natural color. In my opinion, it is lovely. It's just that smell. If you can't handle the smell, you might not want it. And like I said, this has Come Through. It's a $14 value, and I paid $6 for it. So you get a really good deal with BoxyCharms. I love it. I love it for the sales. Oh my goodness, so very much. Okay, next, this is Han Healthy Active Natural. This is an all-natural multi-stick. It is in the color Roseberry. Let me make sure that's what mine's in. Yes, Roseberry. So I have this one. And you can put this anywhere. It's a multi-stick. You can put it on your cheeks. You can put it on your lips. And that's normally what I do. I haven't actually tried it on my eyes. But y'all, oh my goodness. Look at that. This one smells so good. I love using it because it smells so good. But it is a beautiful color. It makes a lovely blush. And then you can put it on your lips and just a little bit on your eyes just to blend it all together. Look at that. It is, oh, so good. I like this one. So yeah, of course I like it. I bought some for somebody else. Yes, very good. Love that. Oh, I missed one. I have that. Hang on. This is the Creme Shop So Shady Creme So Shady All Day Every Day palette. As you can see, I do use this one as well. These are great, just everyday colors, neutrals. I mean, there's some shimmer in here, but I mean, look at that. That's good. It's good. It's like, it's perfect. Just not in your face colors, but you can do a cute look. Hope y'all can see that. I feel like I'm going really fast, but that's this one. That's a $15 value. I paid $6 for it. I also decided to get, oh dear, it bounced, yay. This one from the Creme Shop. This is a fruity smoothie. I don't have this one. It's a travel size 9 palette. It's got matte shimmers and glitter finishes in it. Look at how fun this is. It was probably the same price. Let me see. Fruity Smoothie Eyeshadow Palette. $15 value. I paid $6. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this one yet either or not, but this sherbet color is really calling my name. So, oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, so this I had to get, y'all. I've recently become affiliated with Juicy Beauty, so I needed to try more of their products. So this is the Phytopigment Jelly Eyeshadow. And right now, by the way, I am using a night cream from them, like a serum. Actually, I'm really liking it. So they are more on the pricey side, but y'all, I think it's good products. Phytopigment Jelly Shadows is a $24 value. I paid $8. The color is Sangria. This one we're gonna open because I know I'm gonna keep it. Since I am affiliated with them, I will put a link down below. If you click on my link, it does help me out, kind of like a sales lady. I might get a commission from it. But here it is. A jelly eyeshadow. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I'm in awe. Okay. Y'all. And you can blend it down nicely. Look at that. I'd have to use a brush on it to really know how it's gonna do. And I will make a video or something about it. But yeah, look at that. Great corner, inner corner. Oh my goodness. Yes, love. I can smell it. You can smell something there. Not my best, but the smell is not gonna last. I can't smell it on my skin. Actually, I can only smell that Han stuff on my skin. Very cool. Like I said, $24 or $8 with Boxy. I don't remember if I have this one or not. Let me go look and see if I have this one. This is the Per 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette. Let me look and see if I have it. Cute little palette. $34 value. I paid $8. Just hang on one second. All right, so maybe I don't have this one. I kind of thought I did, but we're gonna open it. Cute packaging. Fair to light skin, which is me. Oh, lovely. Y'all, the detail in this palette alone. It does have a mirror, but I'm gonna cover it up. I hope y'all can see the textures to this. I gotta stick my fingers in this. This is gonna be mine. Oh my goodness. Where am I gonna put it? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yes, 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 please. Features a stunning mix of bronzers, highlighter, blush, and translucent setting powder, arranged in a sleek, travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt and highlight the perfect look. Accentuate your best features and bring out the very best with, I think that's a you, best in you with this exclusive collection. So, oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. I should have got more than one of these for giveaways. But then again, it would have to be fair to light complexion. So maybe it wouldn't be a good idea. Love that. So the last thing in here is this. And y'all, I have the WISHFUL serum. The Thirst something or other serum. I really like it. I haven't used it as much lately because I've been trying out something else, but I do like it. I like how it feels underneath makeup. It kind of has that little stick left to it to hold your makeup still and not slide about. So I thought I would give this a try. I think, yeah, this is the Cleansing Butter. I love a cleansing cream, and I was about out, so thought I would try this one. This is a $35 value. I do not know what I paid for it because it's out of stock on the website. Apparently everybody else wanted it too. Look at the packaging. It's lovely. I do double cleanse. I always use some kind of gel to take most of it off, and then I wash my face in a actual cleanser. Oh, it smells clean. Oh my goodness, it just melted into my finger. Oh my goodness, hang on, let's just do this. Let's just see. Look at that, look at that, oh my goodness. And then when you add some water to it, it's gone. Yes, 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 okay. Love that. Yeah, if you couldn't tell by all the yeses. Yes. Okay, what did y'all think of my BoxyCharm haul? I just want to make sure I got everything because I ordered a lot of stuff. Hang on one second. But this is why I went back and looked. I did have something else that just fell down. This is the Persona lip liner. And y'all have been wanting to try lots of different lip liners and things lately. I'm trying to find the perfect combinations and things for me. This is a $14 value. I paid $6 for it. I'm going to open it because I'm going to use it. What color is this? It says 90210. Is that the color? I think it is 90210. So here is the pencil. And there's the tip, and here's the color. Ooh, yes, okay. And it went on so creamy. I had to barely touch to get that on there. Ooh, I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. $14 value, I paid $6. It could have come in the base box, is what this is telling me. So what do y'all think? Yes, I do have more stuff coming. I was looking and there's still more stuff that hasn't got here yet because I ordered more stuff, and I still may. Y'all, I'm tempted. I'm tempted because I didn't have these two to buy these two for myself so I can show them to you and dig my fingers in. Isn't that bad? Because I thought this was the one I already had, but it wasn't. Mine was different. Mine is a little more neutral based, and that one, I'll show you the picture of it when I can. But oh my goodness, so excited. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. Lotions and potions and colors and shinies. Ooh, right up my alley. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you got at the BoxyCharms sales. If you want to be a part of these big sales, go down to my link below, click it, sign up for BoxyCharms, and you'll be able to get into these amazing sales. I hope you do. I really appreciate it. Y'all don't forget to comment below. Tell me everything you think, what you like, what products you don't like, what products you would prefer, what you wouldn't prefer, all that good stuff. I want to hear it all. Please press all those buttons while you're down there. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and press that notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.